Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered how creators produce viral looking short videos in just a few minutes? So instead of spending hours of writing scripts, recording voiceovers, adding captions, and editing everywhere manually, many are using the AI powered tools to speed up the process. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can do that. So again, VMAX.io is an AI video creation platform designed to help you create short form videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and other social media platforms. So even if you're never used AI video tools before, this beginner guide will help you understand how the platform works and what each features does. Okay. So for step one is we have to create our account. So to do that, you just have to visit the viewmax.io website. Okay. So you can sign up using your email address or your Google account. And once you've logged in, you will arrive at the dashboard where you'll see the different AI tools. So we have that right here. So ViewMax combines multiple content creation tools into one workspace. So instead of switching between several apps, everything is organized in one place. Step two is we're just going to explore the dashboard. So one of the first things you'll notice in that ViewMax dashboard um, is not just an AI video generator. It includes several tools. So here we have ad generator, image generator, ad cloner, template, script writer, voiceover, video downloader, AI clone. We have auto caption, voice changer, caption remover, and we also have different templates right here. So, depending on your subscription plan, you may also have access to beta features like AI clone and advanced video templates. So, as you can see, for example, this one, so it says beta. So, if you have subscribed to a higher plan, of course, you can access that feature. Step three is we are going to generate a script. Okay, so let me just find the script generator. So this one, so you just have to tap on the try now option. If you are creating content from scratch, so starting with the AI script writer, so you just have to simply describe the topic you want to make. For example, we are going to type it right here, explain how electric car works. Okay, and then you just have to tap on the send option. Okay, so after that you just have to you know change the script format, the style, and then the context, but you can actually skip this one for now, but I suggest you add more details about the script that you want to generate. Okay, so again, the AI will generate a complete script that you can edit before moving on. Okay, and then you can also paste a YouTube video link, and ViewMax can use it as an inspiration for generating a new script instead of starting from a blank page. Okay, so yeah, you'll be able to see here now your script. So once your script is finished, you just have to move to the AI voiceover tool. So you just have to paste your script into the editor, or you can just tap on this generate a voiceover option. After you have your script, you just have to tap on the copy option. That's right. And then we're just going to go back to our dashboard where we have to generate the voiceover. Okay, so you just have to look for that tool. So here it is. So just simply tap on the try now option, and then you just have to paste here your script. And then after that, you just have to choose, you just have to adjust the voice. All right. So you just have to tap on this speed section, stability, similarity, and then after that, you just have to generate the voice. Now, after that, now You just have to create the visual, so generate or import the video. So VMAX offers two different approaches. Okay, so let me just go back here. So let's just go to the video generator. So this one, that's right. Okay, so you just have to describe the type of scene you want, and the AI will generate matching visuals. And the second option is importing your own clips. So if you already have footage recorded on your phone or downloaded from royalty-free websites, simply upload them into the editor section. Okay, so you just have to tap on these options right here. So we have images. That's right. And yeah, there are so many creators to mix AI generated scenes with their own footage for a more natural looking video. And inside the editor, you just have to arrange your clips in the timeline, and you can trim the scenes, reorder them, add transitions, and synchronize the visuals with your AI voiceover. And if your project is designed for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, you just have to choose a vertical aspect ratio. So you have here your aspect ratio. So depending on what kind of content that you are trying to create. So if you are creating content for YouTube, you can switch to horizontal format. So we have that right here. And yeah, the goal is to make your content fit the platform you are publishing on. So captions are extremely important because many people watch videos with the sound turned off. So ViewMax includes auto caption, which automatically generates subtitles. And you can also choose from caption styles inspired by popular short form creators. So you can customize the font, the colors, animation, and placement until you're happy with the result. And yeah, you can remove existing captions or watermarks. So sometimes you have old footage that already contains subtitles or distracting watermarks. And yeah, instead of manually cropping your video, ViewMax includes AI powered caption remover and watermark remover tools. So this can clean up your footage before you begin editing, so saving time during production. And after reviewing everything, just have to export your finished project depending on your plan. Exports may use credits or have different limitations, so it is a good idea to check your remaining balance before generating multiple versions. And once exported, your video is ready to upload to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Reels. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.